In this video, we're going to show you how to buy Resistance Dog or Redo on Telegram Open Network, TON, using the TonKeeper wallet app. First of all, make sure you've installed the TonKeeper app on your mobile phone. Now open up the TonKeeper app. Next up, we need to make sure we have something to use to get Redo, so just select the Buy and Sell button. In here, you can choose if you want to buy TON or if you want to buy USDT. In this example, we're going to show you how to buy TON. Just select the Show All button to see which services are available. Here, we'll demonstrate how you can buy TON using MoonPay by simply selecting it. Just follow the instructions and choose the amount you want to buy, then return to the front page of the TonKeeper wallet. When you have your new TON available, simply choose the Swap button. In the Send area, choose TON or USDT if that's what you want to use. Then select the amount you want to send. Next, search for Redo in the Receive area and select it. Now you can proceed by selecting Continue and then Confirm. Your Redos should arrive in your TonKeeper wallet after a while. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.